Hi guys, welcome to another video. What's up, y'all? How y'all been? Where y'all been at? I'm back, and today, guess what I got, you guys? I've got Doritos Nachos. Yes, with all the fixing, the pico de gallo and everything. I'm so excited for this, you guys. I am so hungry. I saved my hunger for this. Y'all already know I gotta have my favorite drink, which is the Fanta soda, strawberry soda, you guys. And I have these little, how many ounces is this? I don't even know how many ounces. This is 7.5 ounces. And I brought these for my kids. And because I drank too much soda and I'm trying to cut down on cold drinks, you hear me? So let's dig in. Oh, I'm so hungry for this. I've been waiting all week for this, you guys. I love nachos. And this is Doritos nachos. I have Dorito chips and melted cheese. I brought the pico de gallo. I don't know how to pronounce it, but the chopped up tomatoes and seasoning that's already in the packet from Walmart. And I also have some ground meat in here also to have it like a meal. Yes. I love nachos, y'all. They're like the perfect snack to me. And then it's football season. So I love nachos and like to watch the games. To have it while I'm watching the games is a good snack. I'm from New Orleans and we root for New Orleans Saints. Yes, and this is going to be one of our game day snacks when we watch the game. That's right, go Saints. We're going all the way this year. I really have hope in us this year. I love football. I love the game. It's football season. Yes. I can't wait. So everything. Everything is so exciting around this time. It's about to be fall in another month or so. I couldn't wait for fall. I'm so sick of it being hot. And here in New Orleans, it's super hot. And the cheese, it's getting cold. Y'all know one thing. I'm gonna drink that cold drink later. So, how's everybody been doing? How you guys been doing? I've been doing fabulous, you guys. I'm so happy my kids are back in school. I told y'all I can do more of my videos because they're back in school and everything. That's all I was waiting on for them to go back to school. So I can have my peace and quiet and do my videos. I've been craving for these so much, y'all. So much. Oh, this how I do my hand when I'm eating good and I feel good. So what's what's popping right now on television? Like I'm watching what's going on television, and I'm a big television movie type person. What I was really hooked on, I like all the shows that come out. But what I was really hooked on was Pose. Pose is so good, it totally opens up someone's understanding who probably doesn't know anything about transgenders or the gay community. It's so good. I love it. Um, I believe it was created by Ryan Murphy, the same guy that does American Horror Story, my other favorite. I love American Horror Story. I can't wait till it come back. It comes back next month. No, this month. This month, yes. Oh my God. Oh, I can't wait. It comes back this year. And to me, it looks like a mix of um, Friday the 13th and what's that other one? Halloween. And I Know What You Did Last Summer. It's gonna be good. I can't wait till it comes on. The preview, the premiere. I mean, I can't wait. I love American Horror Story. I love horror films. Period. Period. They like my favorite. I mean, I like a good scare. I think that's why people like horror movies and they are a horror fanatic. But, bruh, bruh, I love American Horror Story. Sometimes it gets too scary and too spooky for me. I'm not gonna lie. Season 3 and what season was Hotel? I forgot. Y'all put it in the comments. But Hotel scared the dirt off me. The dirt. It scared the living daylights out of me. Um, I love Lady Gaga on there. And Angela Bassett. Oh my God. It was so good. But I have to say, I like all the seasons. I wasn't too big of a fan of the last season. It just didn't scare me or anything. Yeah, I think it was meant to scare us into reality of what's going on with America. But it didn't really scare me. So I kind of tuned out early. If y'all watched all of last season, y'all thought it was great, which is great. Comment below and hit me up. I'm an American Horror Story fanatic. But this season, it looks like he's giving like tribute to the horror flicks, and I love it because I love horror. I love horror flicks. It's so good, y'all. I'm gonna have to make this when I watch American Horror Story. So, American Horror Story, and another show that I was obsessed with was Snowfall. I love Snowfall. I do. I mean, come on now. It's action, it's gritty, it's it's real. And I can relate to it because I grew up in the 80s. So I knew about the epidemic and what was going on in the 80s. That's why I love Pole so much. Oh my God. I knew to get back on Pose, I knew um I knew about the AIDS and the HIV epidemic as a child, but I mean, the show teaches you so much, like insightful, like human feelings and what they go through, and their rights and everything. I had no clue. Even the United States were treating them that way. People that had the disease, and it's so sad. But it's a great show. I love the music. I love, 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 love. I love the music. The music in Pose and the music in Snowfall. I love it. I'm an 80s, 90s baby. I love it. But yes, that's my shows. I used to be hooked on loving hip hop and all that. And I'm not really into it no more. It's same old scenario, same old thing gonna happen. Somebody gonna cut somebody out, throw a shoe fight. Somebody gonna steal somebody man. Next. I see enough of that on Instagram. So I'm trying to think because I'm so busy eating, y'all. This little drink ain't gonna do nothing for all this ice. Okay, cause all this ice. Ain't nothing but ice, y'all. Oh, excuse me. Oh boy. Ooh. Oh. I don't know, y'all. Now I don't eat too fast anyway. Next time I'm gonna invite my daughter to have a mukbang with me, to do a mukbang. So she can help me eat, y'all. Because I know y'all be like, is she gonna eat all of it? Eat all of it. Yeah. I be trying, y'all. But, This is so good. It tastes like your Doritos Loco Taco at Taco Bell. I love that taco. Um, I don't really go to the movies no more. Um, I just don't. I mean, when you have a when you have a fire stick, you don't need to go. I forgot to do a thumbnail. I'm gonna do another one. God. I should put some. I should put some jalapeno peppers in here. I love jalapeno peppers. I love hot stuff. I don't mind. I don't mind if it's that. I just might. I just might. Whoop! It's about to fall. Blah, blah, blah. Excuse me. Mm. Ooh. All my chips are well. Mm. Mm. It's only a little bit left. I gotta do it for y'all. I can't cop out. Oh, excuse me, baby. Ain't no copping out. Ain't no copping out. You can't cop out on a mukbang. My legs pow. Pow, pow, pow. Pew, pew, pew. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. No. God. Oh my goodness. Girl, it's a shame. Y'all notice I always cry at the end? Because I can't eat no more. I ain't even got no chips for that. I said I was gonna do it for y'all, and I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Mmm. That's him. I just a little bit. I don't even have no chip. Bang. Bang. Oh, dang. I'm so full, y'all. It's a crime. But thank y'all for joining me for another video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, it's the Creole Eating Queen. Bye, you guys. Bye.